Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well with your online studies. Okay, welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. Okay children, in today's session we are going to learn naming words. We are going to solve the worksheets based on naming words. This naming words are the grammar part, which is the lesson behind grammar part. Unit number 6, behind grammar part. Okay children, so today we are going to revise it, and also we are going to solve the worksheets which are based on the noun. Okay children, in previous session you have learned the naming words. So what do you mean by naming words children? Yes, naming words are the names of people, name of things, name of animals, name of birds. Okay children, students, we all are surrounded by animals, birds, things, everything. Okay children, everything whatever we are surroundings, they all are having names. Those all things are having names. Everything in this world is having names. Okay children, everything whatever in this world is having different kinds of names. So all those names are known as naming words. Okay children, so what do we mean by noun? Noun are the naming words. Name of the people, name of things, name of animals, name of birds. So what do you mean by noun? Noun is the name of person, name of thing, name of animal, name of birds, and name of places. Okay children, noun is nothing but naming words, the names which are for person, things, animals, birds, places. Okay children, animals and birds. Okay, let us see the example for name of person, name of people. Name of people. Okay children, in name of people, mother, we can take mother name, father, teacher. Okay, boy, girl, and we also take the particular name also. Okay children, Rani, Raja, Basu, Basavaraj. So these all are the name of people. Okay, name of birds. So what is the examples for name of birds children? Yes, there are a lot of examples are there. Let me write few of them. Peacock, crow, parrot, then sparrow. Okay children, there are a lot of examples are there. So in the name of people, mother, father, teacher, boy, girl, Basavaraj, Rani, Raja, anything we can take in the name of people. Name of birds, peacock, crow, parrot, sparrow, these all are the name of birds. Okay children. Now let us move to the name of animals. So in the name of animals, any animal name we can take. Name of animals. Dog, cat, tiger, lion, etc. Okay children. Then name of places. In the name of places we can take any place. Bijapur. Okay. Bijapur, Bangalore, Mudhol. Okay children. Then name of things. In the name of things, name of things. You take pen, pencil, chair, pen, pencil, chair, marker, bus, car. Okay, children, anything we can take in the name of things. So these all are the naming words which we are giving to the name of animals, places, person, things, etc. Words. Okay, children. Now let us solve the worksheets based on the nouns. Okay, children. Noun is the nothing but naming word. So the first question is underline the naming words in these sentences. Okay, children. Underline the naming words in these sentences. So the first one is, let me write all the questions first, then later we will solve these, okay? Exercise. So the first one is, the Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. The Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. The Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. So, in this sentence, which is the noun, we have to underline that word. Okay, children? First, I will write all the questions. Later, we will solve those. Okay? I eat jam and bread for breakfast. I eat jam and bread for breakfast. Third one. I saw kangaroo in the zoo. I saw kangaroo in the zoo. Fourth one. The policeman is standing on the road. The policeman is standing on the road. Fifth one. The kite is flying in the sky. The kite is flying in the sky. Sixth one. My teddy bear is brown in color. My teddy bear is blue in color. Okay, children. Seventh one. This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. Eighth one. The water in the jug is cold. The water in the jug is cold. Ninth one. Mom plays piano. Mom plays piano. 10th one. A rabbit ran up the hill. A rabbit ran up the hill. So students, let us solve these questions. So underline the naming word in these sentences. Okay, children. So the first sentence is the Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. So which is the naming word in this sentence, children? The Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. See, Lakshmi. Lakshmi is here naming word, isn't it? Lakshmi is naming word or not, children? Yes, Lakshmi is naming word. So we have to underline the Lakshmi. Here house. House is also a name of thing. So we have to underline Lakshmi and house in the sentence. Okay, children? The Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. In this sentence, Lakshmi and the house is naming word. Lakshmi is name of person. House is name of thing. Okay, children? Let us move to the next one. I eat jam and bread for breakfast. So, I eat jam and bread. See, jam and bread is the name of the food. Means name of the thing. So, we have to underline jam and bread in the sentence. Okay. Third one. I saw kangaroo in the zoo. So, here kangaroo. Kangaroo is the name of animal, children. So, for the naming word kangaroo, we have to underline. And zoo is also the name of thing. So, we have to underline zoo also. So, the fourth one, the policeman is standing on the road. The policeman is standing on the road. So here the policeman, which is the word is here, noun, children. Policeman is the name of person. So we have to underline the policeman in this sentence. Okay children, let us move to the next one. The kite is flying in the sky. Can you see here kite? Kite is here name of thing, and sky. Sky is also the name of thing. So we have to underline kite and sky. Okay children. Let us move to the next one. My teddy bear is blue in color. So teddy bear is the name of the thing, and color blue. Blue is also the name of thing. So we have to underline teddy bear and blue. Okay children. The next one is this shirt is dirty. So here shirt is name of thing. Shirt is name of thing. So we have to underline shirt. Okay children. Let us move to the next one. That is the water in the jug is cold. Can you see here water? So water is the name of thing and jug is also the name of thing. So we have to underline water and jug in the sentence. Okay. Next one. Mom plays piano. So piano is here name of thing. Okay. Next one. A rabbit ran up the hill. So rabbit is the name of animal and hill is the name of thing. So we have to underline rabbit and hill. Okay children. So Lakshmi, let us read once again. The Lakshmi is waiting outside the house. So house and Lakshmi is here naming words. Second one, I eat jam and bread for the breakfast. Jam and bread is here naming word. I saw kangaroo in the zoo. So here kangaroo and zoo, these both words are naming words. The policeman is standing on the road. The policeman is here naming word. Fifth one, the kite is flying in the sky. So here kite and sky are the naming words. My teddy bear is blue in color. So teddy bear and blue is here are here naming words. This shirt is dirty. Shirt is here naming word. The water in the jug is cold. So here water and jug are the naming words. Mom plays piano. Here piano is the naming word children. A rabbit ran up the hill. So rabbit and hill are here naming words. So you have to write these question and answers in this worksheet in the classwork notebook. Okay children, start writing now by pausing the video. Okay, let us move to the next questions. Rahul and Raju are coming from the school. 11th one. Raju and Rahul are coming from the school. From the school. 12th one. The little girl was playing in the park. I have a cat in my house. I have a cat in my house. Thirteenth one. My room is very messy. My room is very messy. 14th one. Sam is going to New York. Sam is going to New York. The library has a lot of books. The library has a lot of books. So children, 11th one is Raju and Rahul are coming from the school. So here Raju and Rahul are the name of the person. Okay children? And school is also the name of place. So here Raju, Rahul and school are the naming words children. And in this 12th question, I have a cat in my house. Cat is the name of animal. House is the name of place here. In my house. Where? In house. So it is place. Okay children? Cat and house are here naming words. My room is very messy. Room. So room is here name of thing. Okay? So room is here naming word. Sam is going to New York. Here Sam is the name of person and New York is the name of place. So Sam and New York are the naming words. The library has lot of books. Library and books are the naming words here. Library is the name of place. Books are the name of things. Okay children? These all questions you should write in class workbook. Okay children? These are the worksheet questions. Now let us move to the next exercise. That is writing the words in the correct column of the noun. Write, second main question, write the naming words in the correct column. Write the naming words in the correct column. Children, write the naming words in the correct columns. So, here I will write the questions and in this part I will write the answer. Okay? Rita, Agna, Ananya, book, dolphin, hen. Table, school, bag, peacock, Rahul, Ashu, cat, dog, parrot, mood, jar. Garden, elephant, hen, sparrow. So these are the naming words. So we have to rewrite these words in the correct columns of the name of person, name of places, name of animal, name of things, name of birds. Okay, children, here people name. Here you should write place name. Animal, here name of birds, here name of things. So in these particular column we have to write by choosing from these words the correct word, name of people, name of places, name of animal, name of birds and name of things. Okay, children? So we have to choose the correct word from those words. Children, we have to write under each column the correct word, which is for name of the people, name of the place, name of the animal, name of the birds and name of the things. Okay, we have to write the name which belongs to the particular column. Okay, children. So in the name of the people, we have to choose the name of the people from these words and we have to write in the particular column. Okay, children. So first one is here. Let us read one by one. Rita, Ananya, book, dolphin, hen. In this line, which is the name of people, children? Yes, name of people is Rita and Ananya. So we have to write under the people column Ananya and Rita. Okay. Next one is book. So book is in which column we should write? Book. Book comes under the things column, children. So book is name of thing. Okay. The next one is dolphin. Dolphin and hen. So dolphin is here name of animal and hen is here name of bird. So dolphin we should write under the animal column. Okay. Dolphin. And hen we should write under the birds column. Okay. Hen. The next line. Table, school, bag, peacock and Rahul. So the table, the first word is table. So we should write table in the things column. Isn't it, children? Table is thing or not? Yes. So we should write the table in the things column. And then school. So school we should write in the place column. Okay. Then bag. Bag will comes in the things column. Bag. Name of the thing. Peacock. So peacock is bird. So we should write peacock in the birds column. Okay, children. The next, Rahul. Rahul is name of person. So we should write in the people column. Okay. The next line, Ashu. Ashu is also people. Name of the people. Means name of person. It should come under the people column. Okay. Then cat and dog. Cat and dog are the name of animals. So we should write under the animal column cat and rat. Okay, children. Next, parrot. So parrot is name of bird. So we should write parrot in the birds column. Okay, children. Then next, Mudhol and Bijapur. So Mudhol and Bijapur are the name of place. So we should write Mudhol and Bijapur under the column of place. Okay, children. The next one, garden, elephant and sparrow. Garden. So garden is here name of place. So we should write under the column of place. The next one, elephant hen. Elephant we should write under the animal column. So name of the animal. Elephant is name of the animal. So we should write under the animal column. Elephant over, hen and sparrow. Hen we should write under the column of the birds. And sparrow we should write again under the column of the birds. So according to people, places, animals, birds, things name, we have to categorize the name of the animals, peoples, place, birds and things by choosing from these mixed words. Okay, children. So in the name of people we have written Ananya, Rita, Rahul, Ashu. These are the name of people. Then name of places, school, Mudhol, Bijapur, garden. Name of animal, dolphin, dog, cat, elephant. Name of birds, hen, peacock, parrot. Okay, sparrow. Then next, name of things, book, table, bag. Okay, children. So like this we have to categorize the words according to the name. Okay, children. So this also, question number main 2 also you should write. You should solve the worksheet of this question number main 2 in the classwork notebook, children. Okay. The next, I will give some questions to you. So you have to solve those questions by yourself without taking anyone's help. Okay. Now start writing by pausing the video. Hope you all have understood what is naming word, children. So what do you mean by naming words? Yes, naming words are the name of person, name of places, name of things, name of animals, name of birds. Everything on the word has names. Okay, so those names are known as nouns. N-O-U-N, noun mean naming word. Okay, children. So I will give some questions to you as a homework. So you should solve those questions by yourself. Okay. So this is your homework part. You have to solve this in your homework book. Home fun means homework. So first question is, circle the nouns in these sentences. Circle the nouns in these sentences. So the first one is Joe is my cousin. Joe, Joe is the name of person. Joe is my cousin. Full point. So you have to write this question and you have to circle which is the name in this sentence. Okay children. Second one. I like these beautiful flowers. I like this beautiful I like these beautiful flowers. Third one. She played with her brother. She played with her brother. Fourth one. The bus stopped suddenly. The bus stopped suddenly. We saw many animals at the zoo. We saw many animals at the zoo. Sixth one. There are no markers in the box. There are no markers in the box. Children were playing outside. Children were playing outside. Okay, children, start writing by pausing the video. How many lollies do you have? Lolly means lollipop. How many lollies means lollipop, children, do you have? Ninth one. I like to write with a pen. I like to write with a pen. Birds migrate when it gets cold. Birds migrate when it gets cold. When it gets cold. 11th one. The boy ate 3 apples. The boy ate 3 apples. The boy ate 3 apples. Dad's car is broken. 12th one. Dad's car is broken. 13th one. The stars are shining in the sky. The stars are shining in the sky. 14th one. Meena bought a new pen. Meena bought a new pen. 15th one is I am going to buy a new bicycle. I am going to buy a new bicycle. Okay children, so these are all the questions you have to write in the homework notebook children. Okay, you have to solve by yourself. Let us read once again. Joe is my cousin. I like these beautiful flowers. She played with her brother. The bus stopped suddenly. We saw many animals at the zoo. There are no markers in the box. Children were playing outside. How many lollies do you have? I like to write with a pen. Birds migrate when it gets cold. The boy ate 3 apples. Dad's car is broken. The stars are shining in the sky. Meena bought a new pen. I am going to buy a new bicycle. So these all are the questions. You have to circle nouns. Only nouns, name of the person, things, anything. Birds, animals. Whatever, wherever you are finding these names, you have to circle. Okay children? Now one more exercise I will give you to solve. Okay? First take these questions and then take one more exercise to solve. These questions you should solve in the homework notebook. And don't forget to send the photocopy of it to me children. You should send the classwork photocopy also of worksheet and homework or photocopy also. Okay. Next, the second question for you children is write the naming words in the correct column. Write the naming words in the correct column. Okay? So, first question, then you should solve here. First, Raju. Sorry, ship, Raju. Ship, Raju. Pencil, bag, sparrow. Tiger, Mudhol, Bangalore, bottle, dog. Parrot, Meera, lion. So how? Before I have solved like that only, you should also solve, means you have to write in the correct column. Okay. So column birds, animals, place, people and thing. So children, you should write by yourself by choosing from these words, which are the birds, animals, places, people and things. So you have to write the correct word in the correct column. Okay. Name of the birds you should write in the under the birds column. Name of animals, which are those in those words, you have to write in the under the animals column, and the words of places you should write under the places column, and name of the people you should write under the people column, and name of things you should write under the things column. Okay children, so this is the second question for you. You have to solve these question number 1 and question number 2 by yourself. Okay, this is the homework for you children. Now hope you all have understood what is naming word. Okay children, now here ends our today's class. Hope you all understood. Let us meet in the next session with the next another worksheet. Okay, till then, have a good day. Bye bye.